Tiny Titan is packed with power, making it a great choice for gamers, creators, and anyone who needs a compact yet capable machine. But is the GMKtec K4 right for you? Let's break down 5 reasons why you might want to consider this little powerhouse. Don't let the size fool you. The GMKtec K4 packs a serious punch. It boasts an AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS processor, which means you can crush everyday tasks and even handle demanding applications like video editing and high-resolution gaming. Plus, with 16GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, you'll experience smooth performance and lightning-fast loading times. Gamers, rejoice, the GMKtec K4 isn't just about work, it's a beast for play too. The AMD Radeon 780M graphics card delivers impressive visuals, allowing you to enjoy your favorite titles at high settings. Plus, with 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, you can connect to multiple monitors for an expansive gaming experience. The GMKtec K4's biggest advantage might be its size. This mini PC is incredibly compact, making it perfect for those with limited desk space. It's also incredibly portable, so you can easily take your power on the go. Whether you're traveling for work or attending LAN parties, the GMKtec K4 keeps you connected and productive. The GMKtec K4 might be small, but it offers a generous selection of ports. You'll find 2 HDMI 2.1 ports for connecting monitors, 4 USB-A ports for plugging in your peripherals, and even a super-fast USB 4 port for future-proof expandability. Plus, with Wi-Fi 6 and 2.5 GB LAN, you'll have plenty of options for staying connected. Let's talk about the price tag. Mini PCs can sometimes be expensive, but the GMKtec K4 offers incredible value for its performance. It's a powerful machine at a competitive price point, making it a great option for budget-conscious gamers and creators. So, there you have it. 5 reasons why you should consider the GMKtec K4. It's a powerful mini PC that punches above its weight, offering excellent performance, portability, and a great selection of features, all at a reasonable price. If you're looking for a compact powerhouse that can handle your daily tasks and even some gaming on the side, the GMKtec K4 is definitely worth checking out. We've included a link to the GMKtec K4 on AliExpress in the video description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.